Hi, this is Doug Walters with another Intro to WordPress video. In the past, we've gone through the account setup process and created our own WordPress website using the free WordPress.com content management system. We've gone through the difference between posts and pages. We've talked about how to add content to our media library and set up hyperlinks from our website to others. Now, let's get into the actual maintenance and editing of our homepage. To do that, let's navigate to the Pages menu on our sidebar. And we'll click on All Pages. Zooming back out, we'll go to the Home page, and when we put our mouse over it, we'll see that we have the ability to edit the home page. Not quick edit, but really edit. Go ahead and click on that link. This will take us to the Edit Page screen. On that screen, we'll see several things. The title of the page, which is currently Home. The permalink to that page, which is the web address that people will type in to get to it. That's currently set up to be our home page. It's the default page that people get to when they type in our unique web address. We also have several tools here. If this makes you think anything of a word processor like Word, you would be right. Many of these features do reflect what you might have already done in a word processor like Microsoft Word or others. But we have some extra features as well. We have a quick button here, which allows us to add media to that page. We have a button that allows us to add a poll to the page if we wanted to ask questions and get answers. A quick button to add a contact form. And a quick button to add a map to the page. All handy tools when you're creating your homepage. Below that, we have the word processing tools. We can change the size of our text by assigning it to be either paragraph text or one of 6 different heading text sizes. We can bold and italicize. We can create unordered lists and ordered lists. We can create block quotes, which will appear styled as a quote with parentheses on the homepage. We can change the alignment of text and images to be left aligned, center aligned, or right aligned. We can insert and edit hyperlinks, and we can also remove hyperlinks. We can insert a read more tag, which we'll show you in future videos. We can proofread our writing using a handy spelling and grammar checker. And we can toggle an additional toolbar. When clicked, as you can see, some additional options become available, such as strike through, adding a horizontal line, changing the color of text, pasting as text, clearing formatting, adding special characters, indenting, either decreasing or increasing, and then some undo and redo buttons. Along the way, you'll see keyboard shortcut help buttons like this. When clicked, this will tell us we can do Control plus any of these letters to use shortcuts on our keyboard. Below that, we have the editor. An important note here. Take a look here. We have 2 different tabs. We have a tab for visual and a tab for text. The visual editor is what web designers refer to as WYSIWYG, or an acronym for what you see is what you get. As it says, what you see in the visual tab is what you get. Let's take a look at our website. We can see here that this exact text on the home page is what you see in the visual editor. What you see is what you get. If you were to click on the text tab, you would see the actual HTML code underlying what you're actually seeing. For the purposes of this course, we'll try to do our best to stick to the visual tab, as we know many of these students are taking this course do not have familiarity with HTML or CSS code. Text, images, videos, and other attached files will all appear within this visual editing tab. Handy tool below shows our word count and the last time that our page was edited. Now let's move along here to the Publish area. As with the modules on the dashboard, they can all be expanded and contracted using the up and down arrows in their upper right corner. In the Publish tab, we have the ability to preview changes. When clicked, it does not show us a published version of what is on our site, but a preview of any changes that we've made up to that point. It's a handy intermediary stage before you actually make your changes public. We have the ability to publish or unpublish pages. We also have the ability to make pages public, password protected, or private. We can also change the publish date. If you recall, these three can also be changed from the Quick Edit menu under All Pages. Page attributes allow us to make certain other pages parents and child's or children. The home page should have no parent, but you may add subpages later on that you want to be children of the home page. That all makes sense when we get into modifying the menu of our website. Certain WordPress themes also come pre-equipped with templates. As you can see, our home page is currently set with the front page template. If we were to change this to any of the other templates, the look and feel of our home page would change. Let's leave it as front page for now. The order of our page, starting with 0, helps us to determine in what menu order the pages should appear. Leaving your parent pages with an order of 0 allows them to appear first. Below that, we have our featured image. Again, as you take a look at your home page, you'll see that the featured image behind that home page text is the featured image shown here on the edit page screen. You can remove the featured image by clicking the link below it, or you can change the featured image simply by clicking on it. You can replace it simply by dragging a file, selecting a file, or choosing one from your media library. Further down, we have the ability to copy this page and use it as a template. We also have an ability to add an excerpt. Excerpts come in handy with certain other features that we'll cover later. We can check boxes to show the number of likes and give people the ability to share our content online if we so choose. Let's edit this page. First, let's remove the text that's currently displaying on our website and replace it by using the backspace key to delete it and typing new text in its place. For this website, we just want something basic and introductory, like, "Welcome to my new website. I hope you find this information to be helpful." Now let's go ahead and preview that change. We'll click the Preview Changes button, and as you can see, the text on our home page has changed. This is the first step in making this website our own. Let's close the Preview tab, and by clicking Update, we'll make the changes public. Anyone will be able to see them now. WordPress confirms that the page has been updated and offers you an opportunity to view the page. Let's do that. Now, anyone who visits waltersworkstest.wordpress.com will see that change. That's it for this video. We've updated our homepage. In future videos, we'll continue to make significant changes to our website to personalize it, customize it, make it our own, and make it informative and helpful for our viewers. Thanks so much for watching.